Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome for the first time. Today we are just going to be doing a quick haul of some products that I got from Vieve Cosmetics, which is by the YouTuber Jamie Genevieve, and she's just really cool and really awesome. I love to watch her videos, so if you have not checked her out, I will definitely link her and her cosmetic line down below. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. It actually took about almost 3 weeks for me to receive this stuff because it does ship from England. I have not opened any of the products yet. I just have only opened this, so we're gonna be opening them for the first time together. So I'm really excited, and let's get started. So yeah, they wrapped it like really cute in here with this black tissue paper. And then all the stuff is in here. So far already so cute. So let's see. I got the Vieve Modern Bronzer. So let's go ahead and get this out. And I got it in the color light. I needed a new bronzer, so I figured, hey, let's try Jamie's. Why not? Ooh, wow. Okay, I love the packaging so far. It seems really sturdy, like heavy duty. Okay, yeah, it's looking really, let me take that, this off of it. Wow, okay, so, oh, gosh, you can see everything in there. But I love how it does come with the mirror because, I mean, always need a mirror to be doing stuff, and yeah, this is like super helpful, so. I'm excited to try this bronzer duo. It's really nice packaging. Okay, next I got the Vieve Sunset Blush, and I got it, let's see. Let me see if it tells me in here, but I'm pretty sure I got it in the color Malbec. No, actually I was wrong. I got it in the color Piazza, which is supposed to be, yeah, like kind of like a, you know, brown, close to kind of like a bronzer, but I really am excited to use this with some like monochromatic looks. Like I'd like to do brown eyes, brown blush, brown lip. I think that would be really cute. So I am excited to try this. And again, I love this, how it's like leathery and seems very stable. You've got a little mirror, which is always helpful. It's got the cute little V here for Vieve, and then always this little gold branding. That's really cute too. And I'm not really a gold girl, I like silver better, but I can definitely appreciate this packaging still. So, next is the Modern Matte Lipstick that I got, which I was trying to decide between this color, which is Deity, and actually the other color, which Jamie said that she would have worn on her wedding day, which is more of like a pinky color, but I definitely want to try that one next. Sorry, I don't know the name of it off the top of my head, but again, maybe I'll try and link that one down below too, in case you guys are interested in that. Let's go ahead and open up this lipstick. I'm kind of having to just tear the packaging open, it seems like, because okay, get in there, but it did look like, as I was tearing, that all this, I'm pretty sure it's all vegan and, yes, vegan and cruelty free. So if you're looking for clean beauty, this is another great option to add. Again, really like this packaging. It seems really sturdy, you know. It made it all the way from England, and it doesn't seem like anything has melted or any like cracked or anything. And this stuff has had a long journey to get to America, so I'm pretty impressed by that in itself. Yeah. Ooh, y'all, look on here. It literally says, can you see it? Vieve on the lipstick. That's really cool. All right, so it's not like a lot of lipstick, I will say, that we're getting here. So I'm a little bit disappointed by that, but we'll see. It may last a long time, and yeah, I don't know. I'm really excited to try that color. It's kind of like just a nude color, you know. Always need different nudes, you know, different shades of nudes. And the last two things that I got from Vieve are two of her eye wands. The reason I ended up getting two is because I wanted to try the shimmer one, but then I read like in her pro tips that she recommends to get one of the like white ones and put that one on first and then go over it with the shimmer. So that's what I'm gonna try. And let's go ahead and open this up. Versatile cream shadow stick. Okay, directions: stretch it across lid, under lash line, or along the waterline for intense color payoff. Blend out with fingertips or an eyeshadow brush before setting. So definitely this is some product that seems like it needs to be set. It says can be worn alone, set with powder, or use as an eyeshadow base. So yeah, one thing to note is that you definitely are gonna wanna set these cream products. So this one I got in the blush quartz. I believe this is this is the shimmer one. So yeah, I'm really excited to try that out. Cool. And then let's open up the other one. This is actually why I really tried this brand, is because I've been looking for some really easy eyeshadows, you know, ones that you just don't have to make a lot of effort to do an everyday look. And so I figured, let's get some eyeshadow sticks. And I watched Jamie use hers in her videos, and they looked really nice. So it says made in Korea. Again, cruelty-free vegan, like her whole line. And this is the vanilla one, so it's just like should be like a matte, just white one that you can use for your base, of your eyeshadow. So yeah, that's all that I have from Vieve today. Again, the bronzer, which I think the bronzer actually has the best packaging so far. It's like, wow, really robust there. And the blush, lipstick. Again, this packaging is really cool. Like it's like textured and yeah. And then these two eye wands. Now, I wish that I had gotten her Skin Nova. She says if you're gonna try just one product from her line, that you should try that, which is like her skincare, like primer kind of stuff that you put on your face. So probably if I love or like any of these items, that's probably going to be the next thing that I do try from them. And I am really excited to try all this stuff. And I will let you guys know in my future videos as I start to incorporate these into my looks and try them out for myself, what I really think about them. I'm not gonna try them out now or today, but I will let you guys know in the future. And I hope that you guys enjoyed to watch me unbox this stuff. And again, you should definitely check out Jamie Genevieve because I watch a lot of her videos and she just seems really cool. And yeah, so again, thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.